Hi, my name is Ashley Douglas. I am the hospitality lecturer at the Northern Regional College. As part of the course, we teach our students how to make muddled drinks, stirred drinks and shaken drinks. Today I'm going to talk you through how to make the perfect mojito. First off, we start with some fresh lime juice. We just squeeze in half of our lime straight into our highball glass. We then add our sugar. In this instance, I'm using sugar syrup. You can use caster sugar if you would prefer, if you have it in the house. Just about 25 mils of it. Then we're going to add some crushed ice. We're going to get a handful of fresh mint. Give it a little slap before you put it into the glass, and then give it a nice stir. We're then going to put in a healthy dose of our Carta Blanca rum. And give it another stir. The most important part of the mojito is to make sure it's really well stirred, guys. Leave your spoon in and then just top with crushed ice. Garnish, we're just putting in 2 straws, lovely big mint sprig, and a nice lime wedge. Just topping it up with the tiniest little bit of soda water just to finish it off, guys. And that is your mojito. Cheers, guys. If you want to find out more about our bartending masterclasses or courses, get in contact with the Northern Regional College today.